Hi, my name is Devra Jacobs. I'm the co-author of the book, A Happy Move, and I'm here to show you some packing tips. This is a really great trick I learned from a professional moving company on how to protect your furniture from getting scratched. And you can do this on chairs or chest of drawer. And if you do this with a chest of drawer, it's really great because it actually will help hold the drawers in. But all you do is take either like a throw blanket. In this case, I'm using a towel. Get yourself a package of plastic wrap. You can get it cheap at any grocery store or just at any moving company. They have really large ones. And you want to start by going around a corner and simply start dragging your plastic wrap around. And you keep going around until you get a nice coat of it over. And you can keep working it down until the whole thing is covered. And that protects it so it can't get scratched.